Hello, students. This is Mrs. Nevares. Welcome back to the new school year. It's going to be an interesting school year, but I'm really excited. I feel like I've learned so much, even though we're going through all this craziness with the COVID. But I know that it's just we're gonna come out strong. Okay. Welcome back, Huskies. I'm gonna be your chemistry teacher. Okay. You need to contact me. I prefer email, okay? It's going to be at christina.nevares@nisd.net. My phone number is the 210-397-7000 extension 3224, but I will get back to you faster through email, okay? Conference time is going to be my first period from 9 to 9:45. And my tutoring times are going to be Mondays and Thursdays from 4:35 to 5:25. So after school, you guys, okay? And going to a little bit about myself. I'm originally from El Paso. I've been living in San Antonio for, I would say, like about 6 years. I'm a teacher, I'm a mom, I'm a graduate student, I'm an intern, okay? I have a lot of roles. Um, I've been teaching for over 8 years. Okay, I've been teaching science. I'm a mom to my daughter Juliana. I only have one kid, and she's 10 years old. She also goes to Northside to Mireles Elementary, and I'm also a graduate student. Um, you'll probably see me outside of the classroom because I'm also an intern at the counseling office. Finishing up my master's in December in school counseling and professional counseling at Our Lady of the Lake University. Okay, I got my bachelor's from University of Texas at El Paso in microbiology and chemistry, and I love science, but I love counseling. I'm starting to love counseling too, but my heart is in science. Um, like I said, this is a little bit about myself. This is my family. This event that you see there, I'm going to try to zoom in. Um, this is my husband and my daughter. My daughter had her first communion, and that was just like a really nice event that we had recently. I have 3 dogs, and I can see that one of my dogs is kind of like, I don't know why the picture did that. It inverted the picture. That's my dog Beans. That's the black one on the right. The one in the middle is a pug. His name is Duva. And the one on the left, this little guy, we just got him recently. His name is Luca. And Luca is a mean little guy. We've been having it's been really funny getting used to him being in the house because he doesn't listen. And but he's real sweet. So I have 3 dogs. I love to garden, as you can tell, right there in the middle. But it's kind of, like I said, it's inverted. It's weird. Anyway, so like I said, my name is Mrs. Nevares. This is our Schoology. We're gonna have this new learning management system. Okay, I'm sorry, not Schoology. Schoology. Okay, and in Schoology, um, it's going to be a learning process. Okay, so just bear with us teachers because we're learning as well. When you sign on to Schoology and you go to the courses, the first thing that you're going to see is the Welcome to Pre-AP Chem. Okay, and I'm going to go over that a little bit more tomorrow. You're going to see the Zoom meeting for those of you that are synchronous. Okay, we're going to meet in your class period 15 minutes. And all you have to do is just click on the link, you guys, okay? And then right there where you see Pre-AP Chemistry with a drop down of week of 824, 828, that is the class. That's where you're going to see your assignments, okay? And then right there on the bottom is the school resources like the bell schedule and stuff like that, okay? But I'll go over that more later. This is your bell schedule. Okay, some of you guys are synchronous, some of you guys are asynchronous. If you're synchronous, you know that it's gonna be like a regular school day, except it's only gonna be for 15 minutes. Okay, And those are that are asynchronous, well, you're going to sign in, watch the video, and do your assignments, okay? So this is just a little bit of what I was talking about, your synchronous versus asynchronous, okay? If I'm gonna really try to stick to those 15 minutes, you guys. But if I go over a little bit more, because I know I do talk a lot, you know, I'll get better at it, okay? Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to do your first assignment, okay? This first assignment is really simple. It's just to like for me to get to know you all, for you all to get to know me, okay? So you're going to go to the place where I told you to find your assignments, okay? You're going to go to where it says week 23rd, the 23 to 28th, okay? And you're going to see their lecture, which is where you found this video. And then underneath, you're going to see assignments. You're going to go to the assignment and you're going to click on the link, okay? And just follow the directions from there. The Monday's assignment, I'm going to tell you here as well, is tell me about yourself. Please tell me 3 to 4 things about yourself. You must include your name or preferred name. And suggestions below are birthday, pets, any pets that you might have, like I showed you. What are you proud of? Memorable event. Any shows that you watched? I don't know about you, but I watched a lot of TV shows this past couple of months. Any movies that came out or that you might have seen that you really liked? Favorite music or artist, okay? An example is, for example, my name. My name is Mrs. Nevares. My birthday is April 19. Okay, I have 3 dogs, Beans, Duva, and Luca. I made a garden over the summer, so I love to garden. A memorable event was when my daughter was born, but like I told you, my recent one had when my daughter had her catechism. Favorite show that I just finished a couple days ago was The Handmaid's Tale. It's awesome. It's on Hulu. Music, I am definitely a Posty fan here, you guys. I love Post Malone. I also like Billie Eilish. I really like all music. Metallica. I love all types of music. But I'm really excited for the upcoming year. Please do your assignment, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.